Hello YouTube, and today I wanted to go over a chart pattern for GameStop stock. Right now it is almost the end of the day and we're going to have a full pattern for GameStop for the daily. And today is January the 27th, 2021. I wanted to basically state a simple some facts that, first of all, this is the highest that GameStop's ever been. Even at 341, it reached, I want to say on my chart, to 385, and it's not been looking back up ever since. It's personally been fluctuating a little bit now. However, of course, with Bulls hope, Bulls do look to be able to hope to push past 400 here. If it breaks above 385, we could be seeing 400, 420, I think, as a psychological price that it needs a push above to be able to break even higher. But I think that there's so much risk on the downside based upon this chart pattern right here. We're probably looking at a reverse trend right now based upon the daily closing. It's kind of forming somewhat of a hanging man style doji right now, which usually tells a trend reversal from the upside to the downside. And so if shorts have ended up being able to peg it straight up at 385, or even being able to, you want to enter into a short position, I would end up waiting a little bit longer till it breaks probably about the 300 mark, I believe, before I would enter into a short, especially with the short squeeze that has happened recently. If volume is consistent, and we've seen a lot less volume today than we have over the last couple of days, then we could be seeing that downward trend, of course, solidifying. I personally want GameStop to go higher because I want to end up putting some options in to be able to bet on that it's going lower. So if you're out there, of course, viewing this video and you want to go ahead and pump it up a little bit more, of course, that'd be great. No, I'm just messing. But yeah, like overall, it's probably one of those things that, like I said, it's a short squeeze. It's definitely something that a lot of people are probably locking in profits right now. If this video gets posted before 4 o'clock and you are in a long position from $8 a share, see if you can go after hours and start spending that money on Top War for all your profits, of course. The game that I've been promoting the most of right now, because I've actually spent quite a few amount of dollars on. But yeah, so basically, like I said, GameStop is up in the $300 range right now, and like I said, it looks like it's going to be dropping just probably here soon over the next couple of days. If it holds 250, there might be a chance for it to climb back up. If you're trying to buy from some momentum point of view, from a technical analysis point of view, it's probably looking like 250 is probably going to be like the right range price to be able to do a risk reward analysis from trading this stock. I pretty much think that it's pretty much just going to drop like a tank, in my personal opinion, probably tomorrow. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do anything about it. That, as well as AMC probably. And BlackBerry, I think, has a little bit more of a chance. We'll go ahead and look at BlackBerry's stock here. I think BlackBerry, actually, as far as a momentum play, has a lot more potential if you're looking to enter into a position. And we look at the volume right now, there's a lot of volume coming in, and there's more volume that could even come in greater. If you look at the chart too, from 5 years ago, well, about 10 years ago, I think. Let's see. No, even further than that. 2008. We see that BlackBerry reached up to 150. So there is the very big possibility that we could be retesting those levels. If BlackBerry continues like with this, as some people have called speculatively wise, the pump and dump, so to speak. But of course, as far as investors go, some people might see real value in BlackBerry. And I personally have not done my due diligence to be able to see as far as the balance sheet analysis or anything. But if that's something that interests you, of course, that's something I might even go over on my YouTube channel, because I am not a financial advisor to give financial advice or anything, but I would love to be able to explain balance sheets just because they're so much fun. And as well as statement quarterly earnings and everything else is just so much fun to be able to do. No, it's a lot of work. It really is, to be able to put in the effort and stuff for that. I will go ahead and say disclaimer, of course, that I'm not personally long Best Buy, but King of Avalon is giving me more gift chests, so that's pretty cool. Um, but yeah, I might be taking a long position in BlackBerry soon. So it's probably a little bit too late for me, but I'll probably end up putting in a long position after it teeters out here a little bit and balances out, and whatever other new news comes out. So, 1.25 billion. Oh my goodness. Um, but like I said, I want to play the rebound on BlackBerry with a short-term 6-month growth potential, of course, to see if it could climb back up to that 150 range is probably what I'm looking at possibly doing. So there you have it. Some quick little stocks that I went over, and hopefully you enjoyed. Love to hear some comments and feedback about it. Thanks so much.